guys can see the snow going off that roof. The winds have really picked up. The snow is getting blown like crazy. You can't really see that house across there. You can't really see that snow getting blown off the house across the street, but yeah, there's a bunch of snow coming off everybody's roofs. It's kind of crazy. I know you guys can't really see a whole lot of snow coming down right now. Our power is still on. Hopefully it stays on. I had a feeling that it was going to go out, because when I woke up the winds were like nearly 45 miles per hour, and yeah, I'm surprised we didn't lose power from that, because usually you would see a tree going down or something like that. You can tell by those small branches it is really windy out. Yeah, I can't zoom in with this camera, which really kind of sucks, but it's the only video camera I have. Oh well. At least I'm still able to make videos. Oh crap.